Hey everyone, welcome to today's reading lesson. Today we will continue the story of the boy who cried wolf. But this time we're gonna kind of look at the how, the why, the when, the what's going on of the story. Okay? So first of all, let's try to remember what happened in the story. So we had a shepherd boy, right? And then the only thing he ever saw was sheep. So we also talked about how he got bored, right? Because all he could see was sheep here, there, everywhere. So he thought up of an idea. He started crying, "Wolf, help, wolf!" Right. So it's so when probably the sheep understand because they kind of look freaked out, right? And I can tell in their eyes, even though the author doesn't tell us, the illustrator definitely shows it to us. The townsfolk come in and help him, right? And they come in with their weapons, with their pitchfork, hammer, a scythe. Someone comes with tools that weren't useful, but they're trying to help, right? There was no wolf, and then the shepherd boy thought it was really funny, right? And the sheep didn't think it was funny either. You kind of see their faces here. Especially look at these two right here. They don't look very happy that the boy did that. Then he did it again, right? He got bored and he did it again. Now this time he's looks like he's just doing it for fun, right? And then the townspeople said, "Well, he can't, trick us twice, because I don't know if you've heard that same saying, fool me once, shame on me, shame on you, fool me twice, shame on me," right? I think that's how it goes. Yeah. Anyway, but they were fooled again, and do they look happy to be fooled? Not exactly. They look pretty upset, and I would be too, especially if someone told me that they were in danger, but they weren't. And the townsfolk said, "You should not tell lies," yelled the townsfolk, right? And they look very angry, not just a little upset or mad, but very angry at the boy. Furious, I think would be a good word. And then, what do you know? A wolf comes out of the woods, and the boy actually says again, "Wolf, wolf, help," right? So he's actually asking for help this time. But the townsfolk were like, "No, we're not gonna play that game. We're not gonna be fooled again." So they have their weapons ready, but this time they don't trust the boy. And so, why do you think he's all alone? That's right. The people don't want to help him anymore. After they've been lied to, it doesn't feel good. It doesn't feel good. Has anyone lied to you before? And then you find out the truth? Yeah, it doesn't feel very good. Finally, the flock. So here, what is the flock? That's right. That's the sheep. The flock reached town. It looks like, yeah, the wolf is still trying to get them, but they didn't. Doesn't look like anyone died. So the boy asked, "Why didn't you help me?" And what do you what did the townspeople respond? "Because you lied to us twice before," the townsfolk said. So the boy lied to them once, twice. Now this is the third time. Is the third time a lie? No, but two lies doesn't look good. Don't look good at all. So it looks like the townspeople are honestly being honest with him and saying, "No, we don't trust you anymore." So as we said before, this was a fable, so there's something to be learned from this story. And what was the lesson of this story? So the moral or the lesson of the story is nobody believes a liar even when he tells the truth. So here, do the sheep look very happy with the boy? No. So if you lie, people will find out, right? Sooner or later they will find out. And if you keep lying to them, keep saying, not being honest with them, they're going to figure out that you don't tell the truth. And when you do need actual real help, um no one's going to believe you, right? So it's hard to kind of tell people like, hey, you can trust me again, right? That's why you shouldn't lie. That's why you should be honest, even if it gets you in trouble, right? So a couple final things that I want to say of the book. Can you think of a time that this is something that we can talk in our meeting tomorrow is, can you think of a time that someone lied to you or that you lied to someone? How did it feel? And you don't really have to tell me what it was about, what it was, if you lied or if they lied to you. I know that with me, when someone lies to me and then I find out that it was a lie, it doesn't feel really good. So, I with lies, I try not to do it. Sometimes I don't want to tell people something, but in the end, I might end up having to tell them. All right, everyone. So that is it for today. It's short and sweet. So we can talk about it a little bit more tomorrow during class. I hope you enjoyed this book, and we will be reading another one tomorrow.